Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about the latest update on soxlayer, this source airdrop. Please, for those of you who have been into this platform, participating in this platform, you join through me or you join through another means. Please, I want you guys to listen to me very attentively. It is very important you listen to me in this video. And then please, I would love to beg everyone watching this video to please share this video after watching it so that a lot of people will get to know the real truth about this platform, because we all were deceived. Okay, however, we were not scammed, but we were only deceived. So that's why I'm making this video, to correct the whole mistakes which we have made in the past, and I believe it's not going to repeat itself again. Before I proceed to tell you guys what I want to tell you guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel. So if you're interested in making money online, or you're an online hustler but you don't know how you can be getting update that can be paying you for free, then worry no more, because Legit Boss got you covered. All you need to do for you not to miss out is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone. And we release video every day. We release video 8 in the morning. We also release video by 4 p.m. So make sure you are not missing out. So hit the subscribe button. Okay, so what is the latest update on this source layer airdrop? This source airdrop, you see, when they came promising us heaven and earth, and we were all carried away, because we believe that if social value could do well, they were also going to do well, because they came as social value, because that was how social value came about, and a lot of people were rewarded with millions of naira. And then we thought this one is going to do the same. Instead of this one doing the same thing, what they are telling, they have been promising us. Yesterday they said they were going to list on DES, they failed. Now if they ask you to claim, if you claim with a gas fee, what is going to get is that if you claim it, you are not even going to receive the token, but it will be showing you already claim. And if you want to go and claim it, they will ask you to pay 0.54 ethereum, which is equivalent to 5.40 something dollar. And if you claim it, you will not receive it. And they keep promising people that they are going to launch, they are going to list on, or they are going to CES claim will be available today, and is not yet available. So all these things are red flags we have founded on this platform. And if you go to their Telegram channel, you will discover that instead of them to stick to their word, now you can see this is May 7, this is May 7, and you can see time to list on DSS. They did not list, and they said they were going to list on DS that yesterday. Instead, what these people keep trying to do, they are trying to make the community, you see, they are using the community to make money. That is what they are doing. Not only that, they are also using the community to advertising to the community. They also said it, if you want to do advertisement, you message them for cheaper rate. Now this thing you are seeing here, instead of them rewarding the community, they are busy using the community to generate traffic. So all these things, we see it as a red flag. And then I sincerely apologize for each and every one of you who received this update through me and then you joined. And that's the reason why each time I'm making video concerning airdrop, I am always stating it. I'm always laying a disclaimer that when it comes to airdrop, you shouldn't put your 100% trust. You should just give it 8%. 8%. Okay, so that this one failed does not mean others are going to fail, because this platform is like they are just trying. This one is what we call a drop scam, because sometimes they can be scammers when when they're asking us to pay money. That is when we consider them as scammer. Most of them are not really scam, because sometimes you might decided to pay a gas fee. Most of the gas fee are used by blockchain validators, so that they can confirm your, or they can verify that actually you are the real human being, you owe this asset. So but this one is not like that. They kept asking community, they are not transparent. That is number one thing, and that's the reason why I say no. I have to voice out to all my followers, to each and every one of you following me. As you all know that I'm always keeping everyone updated. If I say do something, if I say do something, you do it. If I say don't do something, don't do it. And that is the reason why when I saw what was going on this platform, I decided to tell all my members that nobody should pay that gas fee. Nobody should pay that gas fee. And I am so glad that nobody paid that gas fee from my community. So that's why I'm doing this video, that you all should forget about this project. We just keep eye on them. We are watching them. And whenever they are done fooling themselves, and they decide they are going to list. Because even when I copy their contract address, when I search it on Web3 wallet, I did not see it. The token was not even found there. So that is when I decided that no, I have to voice out to everyone that nobody should pay that gas fee. Because if I am bringing updates that require risk, I have to take it first. If I take the risk first and it favor me, that is when I can be able to ask others to go ahead. But when I take the risk and it doesn't favor me, I ask others to step back. So that is it. I told everyone in my community that nobody should pay that gas fee they're asking you to pay, because of what I've seen so far, and that is the reason why I say nobody should pay. Please, it is very, very important that you spread this video, because this airdrop, they will do everything possible to rip their community off. Posting every day, they will promise they are listening. Tomorrow they will promise. Today they will promise. All these things are just nonsense. Are just nonsense, guys. And I cannot keep quiet. One thing that is giving me joy is that none of my community members paid that gas fee. That is my number one joy. But number one pain is that we are disappointed. Not only that, me that even bring the update, I'm even ashamed because they disappointed us. So that is the reason why I say I sincerely apologize to everyone watching this video. I am so sorry that this platform disappointed us, but does not mean that others are going to disappoint, because this platform, they copied social value style, and we all thought they are going to do the same. Okay, since I brought the updates and this happened, and that's why I'm also making this video again, to apologize to each and every one of us who registered, who do the task, who accumulated the tokens, and then yet we are all disappointed. I am really, really sorry for that, guys. Don't worry, every disappointment is a blessing. By the special grace of God, another update that will favor all of us will still come. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and please accept my sincere apology. Okay, thank you. And then please don't forget to share this video. It is very, very important, so that a lot of people will get to know what is happening on this platform. Please, I repeat, on no condition will you pay any gas fee. Let us just keep eye on them. If they are, when they don't feel in themselves and they decide they want to list, they list. If they don't want to list, they go away. So that is it. Life goes on. So we continue looking for another other updates that will pay us. Thank you, everyone. I remain legit boss. And then please, if you are not in my Telegram group or you are not in my WhatsApp group, if you are new, but if you are in my WhatsApp group, don't worry. And for those of you who are not in my WhatsApp group, I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, okay, and you are not in any of my community group, then go to the comment section. But if you are in my WhatsApp group, please, there is no need, because it's still the same link. Okay, so if you are not in my WhatsApp group, you can go to comment section, use the link there to join us, so that we all can make this money together and be happy. Thank you.